No man, the week them really short. But me love that, cause as you blink 2 times, we're back with a new recap. So on this week's entertainment recap, Shenseea album launch party, and also an entertainment recap exclusive, new music, and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Shenseea album launch parties, and yeah, of 4 of them, she have 1 album. Made its rounds on Instagram to all them nice, but make we focus on the one that took place on our festive island, Jamaica. Shenseea has staged back-to-back premiere parties for her debut album, Alpha, in New York, Los Angeles, and Miami. This celebration was extra special though. That one year was keeping at Jamaica. The event took place at Ramesh headquarters and drew some of Jamaica's most powerful figures such as Christopher Tufton, Minister of Health and Wellness, and Olivia Grange, Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports. Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Horace Chang and Minister of Finance Nigel Clark. Entertainers such as Beanie Man, Sean Paul, Ding Dong, and Taurus Riley were among the entertainment heavyweights in the attendance. One of the most memorable moments occurred when London on the Track, with whom Shenseea has rumored to be in a relationship with, you remember that story there? Anyway, presented her with a diamond drip necklace featuring her dragon emblem. She also used the launch party to thank her previous manager, Ramesh Major, for believing in her talent and his commitment to her career. The Shenyang princess has gained the favor of her fans as they praise her versatility. Girl, go on the album, nah lie, and applaud her Alpha's #1 spot on the iTunes Top 100 Reggae Album chart. Tan, look on goodness. Shen, you again this week. No man, the launch parties for Alpha. One girl. Hey, come here. Come here, no? Skillibeng sign 1 contract, you know. You never know. Listen, I'm gonna tell you here. Just listen. Dancehall artist Skillibeng made a huge step and signed with RCA Records. The Crocodile Teeth recording artist is already signed to Bull Bay-based Eastside Records. The announcement came as the dancehall star released his new anticipated single, Wap Wap, which features FS. According to Billboard, the DJ expressed that he is excited about the new deal with RCA, which will expand his career's global reach. The partnership, branded a huge contract for the dancehall genre, encompasses production and distribution on a global scale. RCA Records is a Sony music entertainment company based in the United States that has recently partnered with Prodigy's Indignation collective label, which features Lila Ike, Savannah, and Jazz Elise. Koffee, a Grammy-winning reggae performer, has RCA as her US licensee. Skillibeng, go on through. Let me tell you something. You can always count on Minister Grange to make sure that the entertainment industry is A-OK. Trust me. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Olivia Grange, has established a COVID-19 relief program for small businesses and umbrella organizations in the entertainment, culture, and creative industries. The ministry will provide funds to organizations that have been impacted by the COVID-19 outbreak. According to reports, the grants will vary between $400,000 and $1 million Jamaican dollars, depending on the entity and size of the sector supported. Companies and organizations must have been in business before the COVID-19 outbreak and be able to show it with corporate registration paper, a tax compliance certificate, and an event flyer or poster in order to be eligible for the funds. Have it together. The businesses must also be registered on the e-registry of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports and have a Jamaican currency account with a local bank. In this week's entertainment recap exclusive, we talk with Aants Man, a young artist who has been doing his thing. He's here and we're going to find out what's happening with him, his musical journey and his upcoming plans. Yo, Aants Man, wagwan, what makes you unique?
Alright, the name Ansmann was given to me based off my height and based off my age. I'm always around elderly people, which is people more older than me, so I always think ahead of time and ahead of other people.
I love the uniqueness about you. I like it. But what have you learned since treading the music journey?
I've learned a lot, to be honest. Music is something like, if you do strong-minded, it will change your personality. Because sometimes you have people close around you that you're not gonna get the support that you really want, so you have to really be strong-minded and know what exactly you want.
Describe your worst experience as a young and upcoming artist.
Alright, so one of my worst experiences since I've been doing music is book for a stage show in Old Harbour. Reached to the stage show, I didn't get to perform because of the stage show ended up locked off, and it feel away because you know the journey far to reach all the way to Old Harbour, and then I have to go home back and didn't get no picture to post. I'm already telling my fans about this stage show and all of that. So that was one of my worst experiences since doing music.
Have you ever been nervous during a performance or no?
Always confident.
Tell me now. Tell me now. How do you manage to stay confident?
Well, music is a thing that it's inside of me still, you know. My daddy is a musician, my daddy is a guitarist, so it's not like I just get up and say, I'm gonna do music. So whoever out there that think about doing music differently, I want them to know that the task is not an easy task and it's something that will change your personality, like I said. So you have to just go out there and be strong.
Good stuff. I mean, where can we find you? On social media, of course.
I'm on Instagram at official Ansmann Music, which is OFFICIAL _Ansmann Music, AANTSMANMUSIC.
Big up you, Aants Man. Thanks for joining us and go on to your thing. This week's new music, my favorite part of the show, you know the vibe. We have Shenseea with Can't Anymore, Busy Signal with Cruising, Nation Boss with Type of Pain, Iwaata with Guard, and Birchilli alongside with Verson with Sip and Live. It's nice.
On my body, but I can't anymore. Yeah, that's around, running round, coming in, coming out. We're trying to come to our senses, but we keep pouring up these senses. Got my body on point, so I need it. Gotta be good paid with the whip. He like, when you gon' get a number to me. I'm like, if you really want it, baby, you know what I want. He like, girl, let your guard down, girl, don't put on her front. Me want to get nasty, inna the car, that's the after party.
Baby, let's cruise away from here. Don't be confused, the way is clear. And if you want it, you got it forever. This is not a one-night stand.
This type of pain run deep in my heart. Me know me now go be the same. Inside my brain, hear voices every day. Paranoid, me couldn't escape this type of pain. Reality strike never again. Me can't go see Shireen and me cry for days. It make me feel numb and me can't find words for explain this type of pain. As me try to heal them, cut me heart and make it bleed. And I know me can't believe them kill my family for real.
When me like me like crowded. Separate myself from everybody like lonely. The amount of time me see them not kill it, they right round me. But me play the fool and build me the evil like glory. If me ever give a page out of me life story, they would wonder why me stay so on the streets grow me. Corruption and that mean nothing nice about it. Yo, me say this from me out, me not fi voice note it. Me say me not drop me guard, no not all. My mama not drop me guard, me guard, me guard. na tang na.
Me no care when nobody responses. Right now, nothing me no response with. Me just a sip and live. Sip and live. Sip and live. Sip and live. Yeah. Enjoy it while you can. I mean nothing spoil the fun. You were there today and tomorrow. Just like the wind, that's how you gone. Now make bad energy hold you down. Stand firm and hold your ground. With a tea, red wine, and you see how you pour the rum. Just go and sip and live.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, this individual. Happy birthday to you, right? This week's birthday shout out goes to Nadine Sutherland. Happy birthday to you, girl, and continue to do great work. And as we say on this show, big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Remember, it's PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy each and every week for sorting me out with my earrings. This week, them give me love. Small Heart Knob. And remember to follow them on their social media platforms at the Ear Candy Collection. It's the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. Ewa, keep safe, feel the vibes this weekend, enjoy yourself. Remember, love God and big up you.